Today I want to talk to you about Moringa for arthritis sufferers, and will it reduce the pain? I am sure you will agree with me that pain is something that we don't want in our lives. Arthritis can make life tough by causing pain and making it harder to get about, as I've seen friends and family members whose life has been greatly impacted due to pain from arthritis. In a moment I am going to give you 2 foods to avoid if you are suffering from arthritis, and I am sure you don't want to miss this info. Let's start by looking at 2 types of arthritis. Number 1. Rheumatoid arthritis. This is the most common serious inflammatory form of arthritis. The symptoms include inflammation and soft tissue swelling of many joints at the same time. It is an autoimmune disorder whereby the deregulated immune system starts to attack the joints. Rheumatoid arthritis is 3 to 4 times more common in women than in men. Even though it normally occurs at the age of 30 and above, children can also be affected. Basically, anyone at any age can have rheumatoid arthritis. Number 2. Gout. This is a very common condition, where 80% of those affected are men. It is caused by the formation of multiple needle-like uric acid crystals in a joint. It is commonly associated with diabetes, obesity, high blood pressure and heart disease. In its most common form, gout is an intensely painful arthritis, where one joint, usually the big toe or the knee, becomes very hot, swollen and tender, painful to the point where even light touching causes extreme pain. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, Moringa can be invaluable to those of us suffering from arthritis. So let me start by sharing 2 real science-backed benefits to taking Moringa for those of us who are suffering from arthritis. Number 1. Moringa can reduce arthritis-related pain. Pain is the most common effect of arthritis, and in many cases it can be severe and highly debilitating. Inflammation causes the increase in sensitivity of neurons that transmit pain signals. This is why even the slightest of movements can cause joint pain. Over time, as inflammation becomes more severe, these neurons become more sensitive, leading to the sometimes constant pain. The leaves from the Moringa tree have been found to suppress the sensitivity of these neurons, which can effectively reduce the severity and frequency of pain in the joints. Number 2. Moringa can reduce inflammation. The symptoms of arthritis are primarily due to severe inflammation in the joints. Inflammation can be affected by a number of factors like diet, lifestyle, age, physical activity, and more. Suppressing this inflammation is key to controlling arthritis and reducing its effects. As promised, here are 2 foods to avoid if you are suffering with arthritis. Number 1. Corn oil. Many baked goods and snacks contain corn or other oils high in omega-6 fatty acids, which may trigger inflammation. There are some studies that have found that fish oil, which contains omega-3, may help with joint pain relief. Going forward, try to replace foods containing omega-6 fatty acids with healthy, anti-inflammatory omega-3 alternatives such as olive oil, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Number 2. Salt and preservatives. It's our responsibility to know what's in our food. Many foods contain excessive salt and other preservatives to promote longer shelf lives. Though they're convenient, prepared meals are often very high in sodium. Excess consumption of salt may result in inflammation of your joints. Reducing your salt intake to as modest an amount as is reasonable may help. If you're someone suffering from arthritis or know of someone who is suffering from this disease, consider trying natural Moringa capsules or Moringa tea to help relieve your arthritis-related inflammation and pain. I hope you got value from today's video. Leave a comment below and share with us some of the challenges you have had with arthritis and what you did to overcome it. In the next video I am going to talk about using Moringa to naturally lower cholesterol levels. I'll see you in the next video.